How to change design space settings. Step 1. Click on Menu in the header. Step 2. Scroll down towards the bottom and select Settings. Step 3. In the Design Space Settings pop-up, click on the Keyboard Shortcuts link and you'll see a list of shortcuts. Step 4. You can also access the keyboard shortcuts anytime by pressing the key on your keyboard. Step 5. You can change the grid display from the canvas grid options. Step 6. Choose the unit of measurement from the units options. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.